Hey guys, thank you for coming. I'm so happy you guys are watching it. Really, thank you. Right now, this is a preview of honey mustard chicken. This is how we make it. We hope you please keep on watching. Hey guys, right now this is all the stuff you need. We have seasoned salt. Right now we have mushrooms, any kind of mushrooms, fancy mushrooms or cheap mushrooms, any kind. Right now we have beautiful mustard. Yellow mustard can be any kind of yellow mustard. And right now we have minced onion. Right now, any kind, any brand of minced onion. Right now we have honey, any kind of honey. Right now we have mayo, any kind of mayo, but it has to be good mayo. I don't like mayo, but it's your guys' decision. You like it. Right now, I was waiting for cheese to come in, and here is Colby Jack cheese. I like Colby Jack. You like it. It's really good cheese. Right now we need a shredder for the shred the cheese. You want to shred it. It's really good cheese to shred. Right now we have bacon. Really good bacon. Right now we're going to cook it in a little bit. Right now, you're going to use your bacon after you fry it. You're going to fry your chicken and it's going to make it very tasty. You're going to just crisp it up. You're going to crisp it up for 4 minutes. And then you're going to turn to the other side and let it crisp up. And really, after you pour it out, put it in a pan. And really, just put it in a pan and wait till all the chicken gets done. And as we season it, more, it's going to get more tasty and more tasty. And really, right now we're going to season every chicken a lot of seasoning. I'm sorry. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise will go in the bowl. Right after that, now you will put 2 teaspoons of mixed onion. And right after that, you will be doing 1/3 of a cup of honey. Now we're going to put the 1/4 of a cup of mustard. And right after that, we will be doing more parts of it as we mix now. We're going to keep on mixing. You can see I'm trying to get all the mustard out. You can use a spoon to get that out. You will see some chunks of the mixed onion in it. Right now, as we mix it up, we're going to keep on mixing and mixing. Right now, as I mix, you're going to start seeing them chunks go down, but you're going to just see them pieces of onion still in it. And as we keep on mixing, the mixing is the roughest part of this. And as I stop right there. Right now, there's our sauce. We're going to put it all over the chicken to make sure every part of a chicken gets it. We want that sauce to soak into that chicken because that is so good. Right now, I'm going to tell you got to preheat your oven for 350. And right now, you have to cook it for 30 minutes, this chicken dish. Right now, after I put all that sauce on, get every cranny of sauce. Really, I'm just hoping everybody loves this recipe. Right now, as I grab the mushrooms, I'm going to make sure every chicken has mushrooms on it. Every chicken. You don't like mushrooms, you don't have to have mushrooms. It's your own opinion. And this is my family's opinion because we love mushrooms. And as we're putting every mushroom on the chicken, we just love this and this recipe. Right now, as I'm going to grab the cheese, this will take you about a minute to put all the cheese on. To put every cheese because we have so much cheese. And right now, this is shredded. You see, we shredded it by hand. And it's really good. This cheese is. And it's better of the pack of cheese. Right now, as we're putting all the cheese on top, and as we're just making sure every cranny gets this cheese. And right now, as I make sure and now as I'm going to grab my bacon bits, this is homemade bacon bits. You can do it yourself. You want more, you can do more. And right now, as I'm making sure every part of the area gets bacon bits, and right now we want everybody gets more bacon bits they can. And we want to really, as I'm showing you, now as I take it to the oven. Bye, guys. Wow, I cannot believe I just made this food. It looks so amazing. Right now, I want to ask you guys, all the people watching us, please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. You want to know more about what we're going to have on this channel. And right now, I hope you guys like our future videos. Right now, as I'm so excited to eat this food, like I'm just diving in. Wow, oh my gosh, I'm so... that's so amazing. Wow. I'm just so happy. I'm just pinning my fork down. I'm just... See you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.